Hi there. I'm Dr. Paul Peterson, and I want to welcome you to my new space module on Old Norse mythology. Old Norse mythology is among one of the most fascinating mythological inventories that we have from medieval Europe. In this new space module, we'll cover over 8 interactive lecture sessions over 4 weeks. We'll talk about the sources of Old Norse mythology, the structure of Old Norse myths and legends, mythological inventory, and Old Norse religion. Sometimes this is referred to as the Viking myths, which is not exactly accurate, but we will talk about that, and I'm quite excited because this is one of my favorite topics on the planet. So I hope you will join me for this space module. Thank you.